Welcome back to the 19th match in round one of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The corrected scores now read St. Hugh's Prep on 25 points and Unity Primary on 11 points. During the English language face-off, St. Hugh's was asked, identify the possessive noun in the sentence, we stayed 5 days in our friend's house. They answered friends. The judges accepted their answer. So it's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer, or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock. We begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Senator Sophia Fraser-Binns, sports. In cricket, name 3 ways in which a wicketkeeper can get a batsman out. Either caught, run out, or stumped. Bible knowledge. What is the name of the third son mentioned in the Bible? St. Hugh's.
Seth. Seth.
Correct. Which pigment allows plants to absorb energy? St. Hugh's.
Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll.
Energy from light. Correct. English language. Form an abstract noun from the word suffer. St. Hugh's.
Sufferation. Sufferation.
Judges. We'll come back to that answer. Music. What is the stage name for Jamaica female artiste Latifah Brown? Unity.
Tifa.
Correct. General knowledge. Kabul is a major city in what country? St. Hugh's.
Afghanistan.
Correct. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Rainy Rodriguez. Mathematics. How many seconds are in 2 hours? 7,200 seconds. Social studies. What is the name of Jamaica's first national park, which was set up in 1990 as a protected area? The Blue and John Crow Mountains National Park. Television. In the Powerpuff Girls cartoon series, which of the girls was a tough, hot-headed St. Hugh's?
Buttercup. Buttercup.
Tomboy. Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the NBA player. Blake Griffin. Bible knowledge. Which king is said to have had 700 wives and 300 concubines? Solomon. Science. To which group of animals do turtles belong? St. Hugh's.
Reptiles.
Correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word nominate. Nominative. Music. Kingdom Road is the name of the debut album of which local gospel artist? Rhoda Isabella. General knowledge. In what country is the Valley of the Kings found? Egypt. Local affairs. Who is the mayor of Kingston and St. Hugh's?
Delroy Williams. Delroy Williams.
And St. Andrew. Correct. Mathematics. Giving your answer as a mixed number, what is 12 minus 7 and 4 over 7? (31/7). Social studies. What intermediate direction is Trinidad from Tobago? Southwest. Bible knowledge. Which prophet in the Bible was a herdsman from Tekoa? Amos. English language. Spell linguist. Unity.
Linguist. Linguist.
Incorrect. Linguist. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read St. Hugh's Prep on 37 points and Unity Primary on 11 points. So congratulations to St. Hugh's Prep and well tried to Unity Primary. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.